Yes.
Yeah, in the microwave.
3 acorns going in the microwave.
Like popcorn? No, it's not.
Stop rolling.
Oh my god. Don't put a napkin in there, it's flammable.
I always put napkins in there. Put paper dishes in there.
It's different than a napkin.
They're both paper.
Stop moving. Okay.
In a bowl.
Oh, the ball go on
The
fire.
ball's flammable. It's on 20.
Yeah.
Press
Restart. Popcorn. We put acorns in the microwave. That's gangsta.
Are they hot?
Ah! I guess in the hot.
Yeah. No longer. How does it smell like person of fingers?
Why the hell would we put acorns in the microwave?
Smell that? It smells.
What the fuck? That one vibes. What the fuck?
Smells good though, you smell it?
That does smell pretty good. Yo, eat that shit.
What's this shell?
Eat it anyway.
Shut up! Dogs hate you. Scared the shit out of me.
Talk about the enlightenment. The fuck is that?
It's the insides.
It smells like balls.
It smells bad.
That's what she said. I gotta finish these. Let them pop.
Shut up!
Oh, these things popping. It's gonna like pop and like break through there. Boom! Ah! Oh, you smell that shit? They're probably like mad hot.
Fucking stink.
It's starting to pop. Put it back in.
Ow! Ow!
Put it back in. Just throw it in there. The fuck?
Oh, we should have put that cricket in the microwave. Mad Nick.
Oh my god, it smells.
Fuck these things. Oh, smell like hot dogs, kind of.
Acorns smell like hot dogs. Where did you get that from? Your mom's gonna be like, what the fuck's in the microwave? Yeah, that's an acorn. My bad. Yeah. Ooh.